welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad starting this week and there are some good deals you can pick up depending on the prices you have at your store. Some might come out very cheap and some might be a money maker. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also make sure you scan the items on your phone. That way you know what CRTs and coupons you have that will make them cheaper. Let's start with food deals. Select General Milk cereal and Fiber One bars are on sale for 2 for $5 and they are part of Spend 10 Get 3 back. Pick up 2 Lucky Charms on sale for 2 for $5 and 2 Fiber One boxes on sale for 2 for $5. These 4 items will total $10. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon for the Lucky Charms and we have 50 cents off 2 digital coupon for the Fiber One. The 2 coupons will take off $1.50 and you pay $8.50, get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2 of the Lucky Charms. That will end up making them just $4.50 or $1.13 each. Select Crest Toothpaste are on sale for 2 for $7.98 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $3.98, get 3 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2, get $3 back on select Colgate toothpaste. Pick up 2 Colgate Optic White toothpaste, priced at $5.19 each. The 2 will total $10.38. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.38 and you get 3 back, making them $3.38 or $1.69 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on the 20 to 30 counts or 70 to 80 counts Halls cough drops. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 30 counts packs, priced at $3.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.65. They will total $4.94. Pay the $4.94 and you get 2 back, making them $2.94 or $1.47 each. My next deal is spend 12 get 3 back on any Aveeno hand and body lotion. Pick up the Aveeno lotion priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. Use the $3 off Aveeno Extra Care coupon everybody's supposed to receive today. And we also have a $3 Aveeno digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $6.99 and get 3 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on any soft soap or Irish Spring body wash and I'll give you 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 soft soap body wash on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are priced at $6.59. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.30. The 2 will total $9.89. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.39, get 3 back, making them $3.39 or $1.70 each. Or you can pick up 2 Irish Spring body wash on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are priced at $7.49. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.75. These 2 will total $11.24. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.74 and get $3 back, making them $4.74 or $2.37 each. Another good body wash deal we have this week is buy 2 get 4 back on any Axe body wash or shower gel. Pick up 2, priced at $6.29 and they on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. And with this sale, the second one will be $3.15. The 2 body washes will total $9.44. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44, get 4 back, making them 44 cents or 22 cents each. My next deal is on Dove hand wash and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.79 each. And both will total $11.58. Pay the $11.58 and you get 4 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. Another way you can do this deal if you receive the Dove email is you can check it. On mine, I have a $1 off any Dove coupon. You can print out 2 and use it with this deal and it will drop your total to $9.58. Pay that and get 4 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. I have a Huggies deal this week. It's not the best, but at least it's some savings. It will be on the Huggies bag diapers. They are part of Spend 20 Get 5 back and they are on sale for 2 for $20. Pick up 2, use a $1 off digital coupon and you pay $19, get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. The next baby care deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on bagged Pampers diapers. They are on sale for 2 for $22. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19, get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. My next deal is spend 12 get 4 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 1 Maybelline lipstick priced at $8.79 and 1 Maybelline baby lips priced at $6.19. These two will total $15.98. Use the $4 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon everybody's supposed to get, and I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $7 and you pay $7.98, get 4 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. L'Oreal Cosmetics is on the deal of buy 2 get $5 bag, but I have a different way to show you this deal. My store have the mono eyeshadows on sale for 40% off and they are priced at $6.99, and with the 40% off, the new price will be $4.19. Use the $4 extra care coupon everybody's supposed to receive and you pay just 19 cents. My next deal is on LA Colors holiday gift sets. They are part of Spend 12 get $4 back and they are priced at $12.99. Pick up 1, pay the $12.99 and get 4 back, making it just $8.99. The next deal I have is buy 1 Taya facial or acne care, you get $5 back. Pick up 1 Taya facial toner priced at $13.99. Use a $2 off digital coupon and you pay $11.99, get 5 back, making it just $6.99. The next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. Both will total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will leave you to pay $10.98 and you get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The 17.9 ounce Pantene shampoo and conditioner are on sale for $6.94 and they are part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.88. Use a 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.88 and get 3 back, making them $8.88 or $4.44 each. Head and shoulder shampoo and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $13.96 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.96, get 3 back, making them $7.96 or $3.98 each. L'Oreal Elvive is on sale again this week for $5.29 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and get 3 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on any Chic or Skintimate disposable razors. Pick up 2 Chic disposable razors on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are priced at $9.99. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $5. These two will total $14.99. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.99. You will get 3 back, making them $8.99 or $4.50 each. This deal is spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll Bar tissues on sale for 2 for $20. Pay the $20 and get 5 back, making them $15 or $7.50 each. This week we don't have spend 30 get $10 back. Instead we have spend 20 get $4 back and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99. The two will total $19.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. And make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon and a $1 off Downy coupon from Coupon24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $15.98, get 4 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. Second option I have is to pick up 2 Febreze air freshener on sale for $5.99 each and 1 Shiny Mega Ultra on sale for $8.99. The 3 items will total $20.97. Use a $3.50 off 2 Febreze digital coupon and $1 off Charmin digital coupon. The two coupons will take off $4.50 and you pay $16.47, get 4 back, making them $12.47 or $4.16 each. The deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on Arm & Hammer detergents. They are on sale for 4 for $10. Pick up 4. Use $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9, and it will make each detergent just $2.25. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.